Hey everyone, so I've been avoiding making this video because look what happened. Look at this. I don't want to deal with it, okay? This is upsetting. Somebody hit my car, all right? So in this video, just two things, really. One, somebody hit my car. All right, let me start over. Sentry is useless, okay? Someone hit my car and it's not on Sentry. All the footage, nothing about people hitting my car. Sure, hours of footage of people walking by my car, no problem. Sentry's got no problem with that. You don't even have to look at the car, you just walk by. Sentry's got, I got footage of you, okay, all day long. Somebody backs their car up into my car though, hits it, you know, this isn't huge, it's not some massive dent, but you hit my car with another massive car. No footage, there is no footage of it. So yeah, this is upsetting. Other part of the video, part two. I am bringing this to a paintless dent repair. I keep wanting to say dentless repair. Paintless dent, PDR, paintless dent repair. They say that they can fix this and make it look like brand new. I'm really hoping they can, because this sucks. You know, it's upsetting. This car is still like, you know, new for me. And try to keep it, you know, really nice and what, you know, you guys know. So I'm checking this place out, Easy Tech in Naperville. They're supposed to be able to do a really good job with this. I'm really happy that someone invented paintless dent repair, because this is like the worst panel. If you see this panel, this is a giant panel here, you know, goes all the way down there. It's like part of the car. You can't just take this panel off like you could the front fender over here. This, you can take this off, you know. You can, here, a door panel, you can take an actual like door skin, you take those off. This panel here though, you can't just take it off and repair or replace a panel, which even that would kind of scare me. So, you know, there's a number of things that would scare me about even just replacing a panel. You know, first off, you got to match the paint. This is the pearl coat, you know, whatever, tri-coat, blah blah blah. Supposedly they have a hard time matching it. They got to take the car apart. They've got to mask everything. It just seems like even if they were to do a good job with repairing this at a normal body shop, the normal way, that, you know, who knows what else could get messed up. So anyway, we'll see what they can do with this. The paint, I haven't really touched this, but the paint isn't like damaged. What they said they have to do though, you can't just come behind here, because there's like two different panels, you know, it's not just this behind there, there's another panel underneath. So he said they have to take the bumper off to be able to get in there. And then who knows what other magic they have to do to be able to pull this out. You know, they got those things that they stick on there and pull it apart, and tension here and there, and I don't know what, you know, all that kind of stuff that they do. And they said a couple days, so hopefully we'll get this fixed and it'll look great, because yeah, it's really bumming me out. So I will report back on the job they do with that. Again, Sentry though really pissed me off. Oh, I was able to go back, you know, so your car is always saving, like the dash cam basically is saving the last hour of footage. I didn't notice this until apparently like an hour and 5 minutes later, because I went back to where I thought I had my car parked, where somebody could have hit it. And that was at the very beginning of the footage, but I missed the first, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes of when I got there. And it must have happened before then, right before then. I don't have the footage. All these cameras, all this footage, someone hits my car, I got nothing. So that's where we are. Stay tuned.